What's up, bag holders? We're at it again. Not much action in the main account today. I've actually been working, which sucks, but we'll give them a little value for their paycheck. We've been having opportunities to buy the SPXL and oil. So you see I need to put my alert in. There we go. So that we can be alerted when the oil shoots back up. And I know oil always goes up because I used to watch Beverly Hillbillies, and at the beginning of every show, oil went up. We're just hanging out there. Nothing good going on in the commodities. You should be hearing a lot about Bitcoin. You know, trade this on the 1 hour. But that's where we sit. It's been on a run. We made our money. Now we're just hanging out. So that's what we got. Flips are on the board. Being the market's down. So we'll go through here and look for swing trade entry or if we need to put a sell order in. Sorry, a little distracted. All right. Still fighting that same initial entry. It really didn't set up again. If you're going to get a second entry, you really need some kind of a move to really stick it. You know, it's really got to be a forceful move. This one's been doing good. A nice little flag pattern. I'm going to be patient on this one just because I'm holding oil more than I'm holding Exxon. So, little D coming up. All right. Did we finally get this sucker? We did. So 230.97 on the 5, crossed over 229.48 for the 20. You can see all the numbers over here, and it's go time. Patience rewarded. How many times do we buy this? We had this for a while. Because we bought it twice. Did we buy it twice? We did. There's another circle right here. 1, 2, now 3. All right. Couldn't see it. All right. Just use the closing print 232.41 for my order per share. And I'm glad that these come around too, just to show you that they don't all just shoot right straight up, right? And how funny is it to see that the bad earnings is where the short-term, at least, bottom was put in. We'll put that order in. Nothing filled right away, so we'll keep moving on. All right, I have a suspicion our flip is going to end up being in US again. There it is, 1238. All right, orders in, 1238 per share. It's doing a little bitty, and let's go down here and see. I'm only going to do one. Still holding on tight to cash and stuff like that. And I may not even sell any premium on Friday. I don't know. I would like to sell some of the shares that I got assigned to free up some capital. So I may just hang on. The beauty of it is, if you buy assets that make more money each year and pay out cash flow, time becomes your friend. So if I just take a week off, it's probably okay. 31. It should just allow me to sell some of the positions. And that's totally independent of whether the market goes up or down. Because an occasional stock can have a relative strength or a relative weakness to the market. And that's why you got to look at all of them. If that wasn't the case, then you just buy the market and that would be it. But that's not how it works. At least that's not how I found that it works. So if it works for you that way, by all means, have at it. Starting to get some setups too, which is nice, as the market showed a little weakness. But like I said, don't be fooled by it. That Leggett's going to set up really nice. It's probably going to need another week. The market can go up from here, so just don't be so sold on one side of the market, because that's exactly where people get hung up and lose a lot of money. They're so convinced that there's no way it can go down any further, and then bam, it hits them. Or the reverse. Oh, we hit all-time highs. We hit 500, big round number. It's got to go down from here. Well, that's true, but it may not be for 10 years. You don't know, right? So be careful on the bets you make. There's a nice setup. That's going to take longer than a week, though, probably. Like I said, and if it doesn't and it shoots up, there's not much profit on it. So be careful with things like that. We got some volatility. Some of these are starting to set up. I was wondering if the water company would make it to a 30, but it's awfully close. And PPL just almost hit. I like that company. It's crazy how you get attached to different companies and stocks, but you do. That one set up too. And look, see, had you bought it, just put your whole account on when the 70 RSI hit, you'd be stuck up here. Right up here at the 200. And it's still going down, and it can still keep going down, right? So that's why I like the swing trade as just a little icing on the cake, because it captures a little upward momentum before getting in. So as you saw with APD, 3 different positions, like it still kept going down, right? It's not foolproof, but it's a pretty good stack of the odds in my APD, Air Products. United Health. Humana hit the scanner too. You see, United Health is in my universe, but you did not see Humana. That's it. So nice, easy day. We were able to put a few orders in, and pretty good day. So we're going to enjoy the evening. Hope you all have a great evening as well. Hope it was helpful to you. And yeah, that's all we got. Catch you tomorrow. We're hitting the lottery tonight, by the way. Hoping for at least a free ticket. So it's a draw day, baby. You feel lucky, punk?